Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Bestial Collection. So friends, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your homes. As you can see that today I'm here to discuss a very beautiful collection of your hoodies and cute hoodies for you, and I hope you like this beautiful video as well. So first of all, subscribe to my channel and please press the bell icon to see my version uploaded earlier, and share this video and like this video as well, and watch this video till the end. So coming back to our topic, guys, as you can see that it's a very new video of your hoodies, and you can see such different types of hoodies in my video as well. In my video you can see such different types of collection, like you can see such contrast hoodies are here for you, and I hope you like this beautiful video as well. And as you can see that it's a very new video for ladies and for women as well. So in my video you can see such type of stylistic hoodies as well, and you can see such type of beautiful like hoodies. You can see such different printed hoodies are here for you, and you can purchase them from anywhere. If you want to know the exact location, so you can comment me in the comment box that how could you buy, or where is the perfect location to buy these type of shops. So I have told you, so I will tell you in the comment section that where could you purchase and how could you purchase, and I tell you the exact price as well, so you can purchase. It's more likely that you should purchase from a market or a shop rather than to ordering these type of hoodies, because an order, we all know that these type of hoodies are not that likely that they are in original shape and in original color. No, it's not true, guys. Please go to the shop and go to the market to purchase by your own selves and to purchase by your own mind as well, because in ordering there are no guarantees that they give you the perfect shape or the perfect size. So it's more likely to buy by your own. And if you are going to a wedding ceremony, like, so they are here for your, if you girls are very interested in these type of hoodies, so for wedding type of function, so these type of hoodies are also available in wedding function. So take care of yourself and your family, guys. As I told you before, the whole history about these type of hoodies, that how could you purchase, and you can purchase them in cheap prices as well. So I hope that this video is beneficial for you, and watch this video till the end. And who has been watching my videos and who is watching this video right now, thank you so much, guys. I hope that you like my video too. So my video almost has been ended, guys. Take care of yourself and your family. Hope to see you soon, inshallah, in my next video. Hope to see you soon with a new fashion video. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye, guys. Take care.